Hello and welcome to Docplexus News. Let's discuss this week's healthcare headlines that matter. The Supreme Court stated that the vacant PG seats of the unaided private medical colleges can be filled up according to the NEET merit list. It was declared by the court during a hearing in which MCI stated that nearly 42% of PG medical seats are vacant in unaided private medical colleges in UP for the 2018-19 academic year. Bringing relief to Nipah virus patients, the centre has granted regulatory waivers for emergency import of anti-Nipah drug from Australia. The human monoclonal antibody M102.4 have reported a 90% success rate among Nipah patients in Bangladesh. A 50-dose consignment of the drug has reached India and will be dispatched to Kozhikode Government Medical College for administration to Nipah patients. The foreign medical graduates will now have to clear the national exit test instead of foreign medical graduates exam to be eligible for practicing in India. The Health Ministry is planning to merge FMGE with NEXT so as to streamline medical education, thus maintaining uniformity of doctors practicing in India. A petition has been filed in the Supreme Court challenging the Delhi High Court's verdict upholding the upper age limit for NEET. Delhi High Court had upheld the CBSE's upper age limit of 25 and 30 years for general and reserved categories respectively. The appeal is moved by a 27-year-old student seeking admission to medical course. Bringing new hope for phenylketonuria patients, FDA has approved novel enzyme therapy pegvaliase for this rare genetic disorder. Pegvaliase is a phenylalanine metabolizing enzyme indicated for patients having uncontrolled blood phenylalanine concentrations more than 600 micromole per liter. FDA has warned about anaphylaxis as the most common adverse effect associated with pegvaliase. The US FDA has recently approved Anti-Nipah for preventive migraine treatment in adults. Once monthly self-injections of this drug are given as a preventive therapy. Anti-Nipah is the first FDA-approved preventive therapy for migraine, which works by blocking the molecule involved in migraine attack. The Health Ministry has issued an advisory for the general public and healthcare personnel in Kerala. They are directed to take preventive measures in high-risk areas and are informed about the Nipah virus spread and its associated symptoms. Travelers have also been directed to be extra cautious while visiting Kozhikode, Malappuram, Vacant and Kannur districts. 50% price cap has been proposed on the profit percent of medicines, consumables at city private hospitals and nursing homes in New Delhi. The prices could be maximum 50% extra. This decision was made by the Health Minister owing to the profits made by hospitals of around 500 and 1000%, which was not acceptable. Dr. Rajesh Rajan has devised a simple user-friendly calculator for heart failure patients for estimating risks in patients with reduced ejection fraction.
Rajan's heart failure risk score. It is available online in www.hfriskcalc.in. This is a new risk calculator which need only 4 variables to be added to get a score. This is very user friendly because all the existing available heart failure risk calculators demands a lot of variables to be added, and it's very difficult for physicians to enter all these variables during a busy OPD day. Risk calculator demands only 4 variables, that is hemoglobin, ejection fraction, eGFR and NT-proBNP value. If the score is 0 to 5, the risk is high. If it is 5 to 10, it will be moderate risk. And if it is 10 to 50, it is low risk, and more than 50 is minimal risk. However, we are planning to apply this score in a large cohort of heart failure patients.
We applaud Dr. Rajan's innovation and request the community to share their healthcare innovation with us. These were the latest happenings in the medical field brought to you by Docplexus, one of the largest online communities of doctors. Stay tuned for more every Thursday at 6 p.m. Happy Docplexing!